2007, paper 1, question 3 with the matrices. Remember that the formulas for these are in your formula booklet. To find the inverse, the first thing we need to do is find the determinant of A. And so that's minus 3 times 1 minus 2 times 5. So that is minus 3, take away 10, minus 13. The inverse matrix is then minus 1 over 13. And on the first diagonal we swap the terms, and on the second diagonal we change the sign, so that gives us minus 2 and minus 5. To solve a simultaneous equation using matrices, the first thing we need to do is write it as a matrix. The coefficients become our first 2 by 2 matrix, then have x and y, and that has to give us 16 and minus 5. Now normally when we have an equation, if we want to find something, we're going to divide by this term. You can't divide by a matrix, so instead we multiply by the inverse, and that is going to give us the equivalent of 1 on the left, and it will just leave us then on the left with x, y. Now we need to be careful on the right. The order of multiplication with matrices is really important. Therefore, the first matrix must be in front of the 16 minus 5. So that gives us minus 1 over 13, 1 times 16 plus 10, so that's 26, minus 5 times 16, so that's minus 80, plus 15, so that is minus 65, and that gives us minus 2 and plus 5. So my answers are x equals minus 2, y equals 5.